Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about lambda expressions. Okay, so what is lambda expression and why it is needed and what is the usage of that? Okay, so lambda expressions, it's pretty much it's same like it's a function which we are using in our existing Java implementations. So whatever the function can capable of doing that, lambda expression can do that, and it can call it as an anonymous block or anonymous body. Okay, it can accept parameters, body, return type like our normal methods. Okay, and one of the most important thing, the lambda expressions mainly used to implement in a functional interface. Okay, and it will not tie with any classes because, as I said, you can apply a body implementation to a variable, so it will not tie with any classes or anything. It's just a plain implementation for a variable. You can use a variable to pass the parameter to the particular implementation. Okay, and it can be, as I said, can be assigned to a variable. I have a variable called a. In that particular a, you can assign 10 values and you can get the sum of the values with the a. That will only tied with that particular variable, not with the entire class. So why lambda and how it looks like? We already seen in the previous tutorial how the lambda implementations looks like and what is the syntax. The first parameter, you need to know the open and close brackets, which indicates the input, and second is a token hyphen and the greater than symbol that indicates this is the lambda expression token, and the body. So everything all together as called lambdas. Okay, so input, for example, I have a and b and the token, and inside the body implementation I can do the a plus b, or I can do a minus b, and whatever the implementation which you want to use, you can use that. So I'm using lambda, but what is the advantages? As I said earlier, to implement the functional interface and how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Functional interface you can identify based on the annotation, but it doesn't mean it has to be there. Okay, that the functional interface, it may have functional interface annotation or without the annotation, but it will contain only one method because we do have our existing functional interfaces do available in prior to Java 8, like our comparator and what is it, our runnable interfaces. Those are all functional interfaces only. Okay, and as I said, it's not tied with any classes. Can be assigned to variable. It's a repeated information. Okay, so what are we going to do now? So I'm going to create a simple example to see how the runnable and the comparator working the help of lambdas. Okay, let's meet let's see in the next video. Thank you.